Alis dyan. Sige na. Lalis na. Bubati na yung baby niya. Sige na, dog. Come here, Thor.
Here we go. Let's see what happens. And yes. We've got 5 out.
Alis na. Kukuhanin na yun yung cinnamon. Ganyan lang, babantayin mo. Ayaw na pakuha. Ha?
Envy. Meaning United. D. And Grace as Nero. Yes. They have all received memberships. Okay. All right. Congratulations.
Hindi mo ibibigay sa mama niya. Binabantayan mo. Ganyan lang.
Okay.
Ayaw mo palapitin yung
And,
mama niya. Kunin mo na cinnamon.
I bet most of them won't stay. But anyway. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Will you take care too, Russell? Thanks for coming
Mabigat yung usok mo. Ha?
in. All right.
mabigat
So
yung
we got
uso
some
mo.
new members here. And, okay. And Wendy, thank you for, yeah.
You want the baby? Huh? You want the baby?
Yeah, most don't prove. But yeah, it is. It is fun. Yeah, we're just needing some fancy emojis now. Yeah, I do. I do need some fancy emojis. And if somebody can come up with some, I will replace the, because I basically, the ones that I'm using,
Bait naman
I
ng
just,
tour na yan.
I actually brought
Pero takot na
those,
sa'yo yung kitty.
emojis that are in the yeah, I think, yeah, I do.
Tutulugan mo na lang yan.
Because I didn't know what to do.
Yung mama, di makalapit kasi ayaw palapitin naman ni Thor.
Anyway, I had not even.
Oo naman si Cinnamon.